Breaking news coming in, and now the event organizer of the event that Messi was a part of in Kolkata has now been arrested, as the Bengal police have confirmed that the investigation has begun and that the event organizer has been arrested. Now, we're also learning that perhaps the event organizer has promised to return the money of all those people who had paid to buy a ticket to attend the event. The Bengal police also said that they are investigating why there was mismanagement at the event. My colleague Ritik joins us with more details. Ritik, now we're learning that the event organizer has been arrested. What more details can you give us?
Well, in a major development, what are given to understand in this entire incident, that Shatadru Datta, the main event organizer of Messi, tour in Kolkata, has been arrested by Bengal police. He has been arrested on his way to Kolkata airport. Remember, Messi and organizer Shatadru Datta were scheduled to, attend the second second event of Lionel Messi in Hyderabad this evening. But before he could reach Kolkata airport, he has been arrested. Now, several charges have been slapped against him. Remember, just a while from now, top cops of Bengal police address a press conference and let us know that Shatadru Datta, who is an event manager and the main organizers of GOAT 2025 tour, India tour, has been arrested. Now, Shatadru is known for doing such a large-scale event in across India for past couple of years, and let me tell you that several questions were leveled, and we also see that Shatadru Datta was at the stadium. He tried to calm down bring the crowd surrounded Lionel Messi out of the field, but he failed and adequate arrangements were not done. And now cops are also said that they have initiated a thorough inquiry into this matter, forming a special investigating team. And what we are also learning from the cops that they will ensure that people have been cheated for this event will be paid back their money, and if such thing not happening, that legal action will be taken. Now, what we are also learning from our sources that a strict action will be taken against the organizers. Remember, there are multiple lack of responsibilities, because we did see people were throwing water bottles. As per Jubilee Bharati Stadium is concerned, or any such events is concerned, we know that water bottles are not allowed. But what we are also learning, and several visuals are also pouring in, and we are showing to our viewers that how cops were injured, and so it shows that seemingly the presence of police personnel were not adequate inside the stadium.